Hey guys, what's up? It's Kian Tam and we're back with another insane video. Keep watching to see the entire transformation. Trust me, it's definitely one you don't want to miss.
Shaking booty in the club, grinding on. Painters did the rolling, grinding on. Farmers painting crops, grinding on. Builders making houses, grinding on. Breaking our backs, grinding on. Need to patronize us, grinding on. Every day we're moving, 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 grinding on.
Another transformation gone right. Thanks for watching this far. Don't forget to subscribe and share our videos with your friends and fam. Don't forget we do all things home improvement, landscaping, renovation, interior design, painting, and more. So if you need to upgrade your space, reach out and we will respond. See you next time. Bye bye.